Howdy, folks, and a great big welcome to each and every one of you. Well, spring is here. The geese and the ducks and the gulls are back on our pond, and we saw a couple of robins yesterday. I got all my lawn raked up and helped with the house chores, so got a bit of time off. I thought I would sing you a silly song about birds having a little party. This song was composed by Walt Koken, who was a terrific banjo player. Hope you enjoy it. The Jays gave a party way down in the lane. Even the owl and the red tail came. The bluebird rocked and the cardinal knocked. Geese flew down, brought a gobbling flock. Way down yonder in Jaybird Town, everybody laughing and stepping around. Way down yonder in Jaybird Town, they don't wait till the sun goes down. Robin brought a worm, hawk brought a snake, sparrow brought a little piece of poppy seed cake. When the hen duck danced with the pintail drake, they got so hot they took a dip in the lake. Way down yonder in Jaybird Town, everybody laughing and stepping around. Way down yonder in Jaybird Town, they don't wait till the sun goes down. The crow had cornbread, the wren had none. The buzzards circulated just for fun. They got so warm flying up by the sun, they started pulling feathers off one by one. Way down yonder in Jaybird Town, everybody laughing and stepping around. Way down yonder in Jaybird Town, they don't wait till the sun goes down. Everybody was a hopping and flying all around, up in the air and down on the ground. The junco jumped and the grouse went thump. They all joined in around the old pine stump. Way down yonder in Jaybird Town, everybody laughing and stepping around. Way down yonder in Jaybird Town, they don't wait till the sun goes down. Well, I hope you enjoyed that goofy little song. Uh, Now comes the time that I'd like to do a little Bible reading. So, for those of you folks who are not interested and do not want to hear a Bible reading, now's the time for you to end the video, and I'll say adios. See you next time. But for those of you who want to continue on, I've been thinking about authority for the last couple of days, and where it comes from and how authority works. I started checking out in a couple of places in the Bible. I got them all tagged here with little post-it notes. First one comes from 1 Timothy. This is Paul's letter to his protege, Timothy. 1 Timothy chapter 2. I urge then, first of all, that requests, prayers, intercession, and thanksgiving be made for everyone, for kings and all those in authority, that we may live peaceful and quiet lives in all godliness and holiness. Wait, what? I Does that mean that I have to pray for Trudeau? The leaders in North America are doing just an absolutely horrible job, and they're not governing the countries at all. They're worried about global things. Anyway, so I started checking out other places in the Bible, and here's one, Romans chapter 13. Everyone must submit himself to the governing authorities, for there is no authority except that which God has established. The authorities that exist have been established by God. Consequently, he who rebels against the authority is rebelling against what God has instituted, and those who do so will bring judgment on themselves. Okay, so it's basically saying the same thing. And then we'll zip over to Luke. Luke chapter 6, verse 27. This is Jesus talking to the folks when he was on earth. But I tell you who hear me, love your enemies, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you, pray for those who mistreat you. So, well, that back to the authority. God is the only one who has total authority over everything, and I guess he measures out authority to rulers, and he measures out authority to the police, and he measures out authority to families and to folks who are doing jobs. So you get the authority to do the work, and you're responsible to do a good job. So, what should I pray for? Well, the only thing that I can think of in terms of praying for the leaders of Canada and the U.S. is to pray for their salvation. And maybe then they can see the error of their ways. So that makes me feel a lot better. I can do that, no problem. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed a little Bible reading. Hope you enjoyed the silly song too. I'll say God bless, and we'll see you down the road.